Cough more during the fucking pandemic, you asshole. Jesus. Yeah. What did you say? Pick on the man with cancer. I'll do it. It can't be that fucking bad. He's got a full head of hair and he's having a pint. Like, I'm not a doctor, but sir, I think you're gonna make it. I am now gonna ask a question that I never thought I would ever ask a stranger or a friend. But let's find, sir, do you actually have cancer?
I've got rid of it and I'm back in remission again.
Wait. Oh, so we cheer for liars now. If you said you had cancer, you would have deserved that round of applause. Don't fucking wave me off. You were the one who fucking coughed and tried to get away with it well, I have cancer. You didn't fucking started this, fuckface. I do love that he's went from like, what's that, sir?
I'll retract and say had.
You, one more time?
I'll retract and say had.
Thank you very much. I want you to know, 2 straight white men agreeing to disagree. Such a rare thing. I'm gonna stop talking to you now. Because I've never made so many people laugh on the topic of cancer before. And I think the goodwill may be, I was about to say razor thin, which is not a measurement. Or is it? Julius, is it? You actually had cancer as well? Hang on. Had or have?
He had leukemia. He's done really well. He's got over it.
Okay. I cannot describe to you, this is the most English thing I've ever seen in my fucking life. Is a man in a bright red V-neck beautiful sweater, just holding a jug of beer. Next to his partner, just went, he had leukemia, he's fine. It's just... I didn't ride COVID out in England, and I feel like I missed out. Because I feel like the rest of the world was fucking sad, scared. You're all just drunk in your front rooms on cider. Yeah. Not a compliment, not a compliment.